Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a really nice makeup haul from AliExpress. I did some shopping on there. I have just been now thinking that you've probably seen me in this makeup and in this outfit for some videos, but I am trying to do kind of a filming batch. But yeah, if you like makeup hauls, if you like shopping on AliExpress, then give me a thumbs up, and without further ado, let me show you what I got. But first of all, I am not going to try any of the products on this video because I will want to do some dedicated videos to this, or like pair some of the products on one or two videos. The first thing that I got, I don't know if you've seen my testing Jessup eye brush set. I have mentioned there that I bought another brush set and it came like this. So this is the Jessup individual brush set, and it's also on the black silver like the eye brushes. This is the 6-piece and it's the T184. I will try and leave everything linked down below. So this is a 6-brush set. It's a face brushes. I bought these for €11.24. So let me show you. So these also come with the same pamphlets, and these are also very nicely packaged. So these are 6 brushes, and we get a concealer buffer, which I think I already have. Yeah, this one also came in the brush, the eye brush set. These all come with a plastic around them, and actually 3 of them also come with a brush net, which is very nice. There's a face shaper, a powder brush. We get a Luxe Sheer Cheek, a Petite Stippling, and I mainly got this one for the Luxe Highlight Brush. So if you didn't know, these are dupes for the Zoeva brushes, and I am really excited to try these. So this is the first item. Then I got something very small. I got 2 loose glitters, and these are the ALIEXPRESS or Nani. They look like this. So these are loose glitters, and I got a green and a purple, and as you've seen, they each come in an individual plastic thing. So the purple is the number 6. I mean, like this, I guess you can probably see the amount of product they have. There's a little bit of glitter on the outside, but yeah, the purple is the number 6 and the green is the number 9. And I don't really use much of glitters, but I thought it would be nice to have some if I want to do maybe a creative look. So I got these loose glitters, and then I also got a pressed glitter palette. This is a pressed glitter palette by BeautyCraft that has these 4 glitters. I mainly got it for these 2. Oh, and I think I haven't said it, the loose glitters were 30 cents each, and this glitter palette I got it for €2.14. So I am really excited to try this one. I think that this yellow gold and the red look beautiful. Then also from BeautyCraft I got a dupe for the Kylie liquid lipsticks. I bought this matte liquid lipstick mini set, and this one comes with 6 liquid lipstick shades. Oh, and both the matte liquid lipstick and also the pressed glitter palette, they have the cruelty-free bunny on the back. And I think these are the dupes for the Kylie liquid lipsticks. I mean, they have the sort of same lettering on the box. And this one was €3.77. I mean, they are, let me see, these are 6 minis and they have 0.65 milliliters each. I mean, they will probably run out fast, but I think it's nice to have kind of different colors to try out. So I'm very excited to try this one too. Now, as for the loose glitters to kind of do something creative, I also bought a white liquid liner. This came in this box. It's a little bit bent, and this is the Handeyan. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a white eyeliner, really. So I thought a white eyeliner would be really nice to do kind of more artistic or creative looks, and this was only €1.07, which is very cheap. And then finally I bought 2 things from the brand You Can Be. I bought an eyeshadow primer that comes in this box, and I bought this one because it kind of looks like the P. Louise eye base, and I thought this would be interesting. It comes in this kind of squeezy tube thing. So yeah, this one will be very interesting to try with the next item. And this one was €1.43. And then probably the thing that I am most excited to try is an eyeshadow palette that was €7.54. Let me just see for how much it is now. It's €9.48 now, so I guess I got a really nice promotion. I bought some of these on the 11/11 sale, and this is the You Can Be Belonging palette. So it comes, I mean, everything came wrapped in plastic, and this was also wrapped in plastic, so it comes in this box. And inside of the box you get the palette that has kind of a textured printing. The packaging itself looks really pretty, but then when I show you the shadows, let me know what this reminds you of. So this is a dupe for the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Of course, they have some mistakes in the shade disposition, and it also comes with a mirror. Actually, on the back they have the shades in the order of the Born to Run palette, and then on the inside is different, but the shade names are exactly the same. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this palette. It's very colorful and it looks really pretty. So yeah, that is everything for this haul. Let me know in the comments below which products you would like me to see test first. And again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. So yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!